It must be fun to figure out a puzzle that is harder than it seems, right? XRP Ripple is going through this right now. The case against the Securities and Exchange Commission that has been going on for 4 years is almost over. Getting into the facts can make it even stranger. Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency markets in the world, is helping Ripple. Of course, everyone who knows a lot about XRP Ripple says that it has never been more bullish than it is now. That is something you can't miss. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene, in the ongoing legal battle between Coinbase and the Securities and Exchange Commission, an important development has come to light that could help Coinbase's clients. Pro-crypto lawyer John Deaton, who is known for representing people in the digital asset space, wants to represent a large group of Coinbase users, 4,701 to be exact. This action makes the words of people who depend on Coinbase for their cryptocurrency transactions louder, making Deaton look like a strong supporter of their goals. Deaton's involvement is important for everyone in the crypto world, not just Coinbase users. The fact that he has a history of fighting against regulatory overreach and fighting for fair treatment of digital assets shows how important his involvement is. Deaton has been very vocal about the need for a balanced regulatory system that encourages innovation while protecting investors. He has criticized the SEC's approach to regulating cryptocurrencies. This is not the first time that Deaton has gone to court to help crypto investor clients. In the court case between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Financial Market Commission, he fought for more than 6,000 XRP owners. Because he has dealt with complicated crypto litigation cases before, he is a strong friend for Coinbase customers who are being looked at by regulators. Deaton's role couldn't come at a better time for people who like XRP and Ripple, since he has tried in the past to question the SEC's decision that XRP is a security. His involvement in Coinbase's legal fight is a positive sign for the struggling cryptocurrency. If Deaton's efforts are successful, they might change the result of the SEC's case against Coinbase. This could set a precedent that could help XRP, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies that are having trouble with the law. Additionally, Coinbase's choice to fight the court's decision makes the legal process even more complicated. The case management plan includes a schedule for discovery and pretrial talks. However, the appeal makes things less clear. If the appeal is accepted, however, the case could be put on hold for a while, giving Coinbase and its lawyers a chance to get back together and plan their defense. For people who own XRP, Deaton's participation in the legal battle between Coinbase and the SEC is a great chance. It shows that everyone is working together to fight governmental overreach and protect the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies like XRP and Ripple. As the court case goes on, the result will affect more than just Coinbase users, but for the whole crypto industry, which will change the way regulations work for years to come. As we learn more about the complicated legal fight between Coinbase and the SEC, it makes us wonder what's going on in the long-running case between Ripple and the SEC. There are rumors going around that the hearing will soon be over, which has people excited about what might happen to Ripple's XRP. In the middle of these guesses, and there is still one burning question. Does Coinbase's participation really hold the key to a good outcome, or is it just a pointless exercise? The answer might surprise you, and the next few things will blow your mind. This story will likely shock and interest you. It gives you a look into the high-stakes world of regulating cryptocurrencies and the search for legal clarity. While the court case between Ripple and the SEC plays out, the crypto world is on the edge of its seat. Looking forward to the next turn in this high-stakes fight, Ripple could face a $2 billion fine, which has led to a lot of guesswork about how this might affect both the case and the price of XRP. Today is a very important day because Ripple is getting ready to file its objection to the SEC's motion. This could change the course of the case and send shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. In line with what many people in the community are saying, High Vibes tweet says the SEC is officially cooked, regulations are coming soon. Ripple settlement is coming soon. XRP ETF coming soon. Get ready. This intense excitement makes the situation even more serious and shows how it could affect many people in the cryptocurrency world. In the middle of all the legal wrangling, pro-XRP lawyer Bill Morgan gives his opinion on the big fine argument. Although some say that a settlement could end the long court battle, others wonder why such a large payment would be necessary. Morgan shows how complicated the problem is, calling for a more nuanced response to the conflict. His point of view shows how important Ripple's defense plan is and what it might mean for people who invest in XRP. As Ripple gets ready to fight the SEC's demands, the fintech company does something brave. It suggests a maximum fine of only $10 million, which is very different from the SEC's request for $2 billion. Ripple's opposition document makes a strong case against the agency's harsh actions, stating proactive changes to compliance and questioning the need for more punishments. The company's position shows that it wants to deal with regulatory issues and push for a fair and reasonable answer. Even though there are court cases going on, responses from XRP lawyers show how confident they are in Ripple's defense. Bill Morgan and Jeremy Hogan, two well-known people, are optimistic about Ripple's case. They point to past cases in the law and say that the SEC will have a hard time getting a good result. Their research tells us a lot about how complicated the case is and what it might mean for people who invest in XRP. At the same time, Jack the Rippler tweets the news. Stuart Alderotti, a lawyer, says, "We are still sure that the judge will be fair in this final phase of Remedies, last part of Remedies." Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderoty, continues to have faith in a fair answer, reaffirming the company's faith in it. As the final phase of remedies approaches, Ripple and its supporters get ready for the end of months of court fights. A moment that could change the way digital goods are regulated. The ongoing story in the case of Ripple vs. SEC is captivating people all over the world, showing how complicated it is to regulate cryptocurrencies and how hard people work to get the law to be clear. One thing is for sure, the legal fight is getting worse. The result of this case will have effects on XRP and the crypto ecosystem as a whole long after the case is over. The court drama between Ripple and the SEC is still going on, which makes me wonder how all of this will affect the price of XRP Ripple. One thing is clear, there is a lot of talk and discussion about the possibility of growth that has never been seen before. Things are getting ready for a big moment in the cryptocurrency market. XRP Ripple is getting a lot of attention right now, but what do experts think about its future? Do you think we're really about to see a bullish surge? How high can XRP soar? You might be surprised by the answers to these questions, and what they mean could be huge. Do not miss this important warning. We need to find out the truth and get ready for what's coming next. Get ready to be stunned. Even though there was a lot going on in the crypto world, Crypto Barbie's one tweet that the SEC might be suing Ripple might just be a smokescreen to keep investors away from XRP caused a stir. A lot of people responded to the tweet, which showed how scared and unsure the market is when the government is looking into things. Are you really that smart? Big Data Barbie challenged the idea that only the smartest people can make it through the dangerous seas of cryptocurrency investing without getting hurt. One question stands out in the midst of the heated argument. Can XRP Ripple soar by an amazing 932% to $5.50 just 3 months after Bitcoin was cut in half? A lot of people in the market and experts are speculating about where the price of this digital asset powerhouse might go in the future. BSC Scoop, a former account for the BNB chain ecosystem, is one of the newest people to say that XRP will reach a price of $5.50 by July. Their prediction is big, but it has some truth to it because it depends on how excited the market is expected to be after Bitcoin split. But since the price of XRP is only $0.54 for now, reaching such a high goal would require a huge increase of 932%. If this happened, it would definitely set a new record and take XRP to heights never seen before. But BSC Scoop isn't the only one who is hopeful. Cap Toblerone, Greg, and Dark Defender, three well-known figures in the crypto community, all agree with this, saying that $5.50 might be a realistic short-term goal for XRP. Based on past trends, Greg has been very vocal about how they think XRP could hit $27. If they are right, it would send shockwaves through the market and make XRP a force to be reckoned with. But past is a sobering reminder that big price jumps often don't happen as quickly as people thought they would. After Bitcoin's third halving cycle in 2020, it took XRP 11 months to rise by 942%, hitting a high point of $1.96. This was a long way from the $5.50 5 was expected to happen in 3 months. Similarly, Bitcoin's value was cut in half in July 2016. Before it started its strong bull run, which took 18 months to happen, XRP's price stayed in a pretty stable range. Notably, crypto expert Ash Crypto predicts that XRP will rise 848% to $5 in 12 months, which is very similar to how it rose to its peak in 21,